Welcome viewers to our channel City Parking 313, the 2026 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. This isn't just another Chiron, it's the ultimate expression of speed, aerodynamics, and engineering excellence. With a top speed surpassing 300 mph, this car isn't made for the faint of heart. Let's break down its breathtaking design, its mind-blowing performance, and a glimpse at the luxurious cockpit that keeps the driver in control at insane speeds. At first glance, the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus looks aggressive, futuristic, and purpose-built for pure velocity. Bugatti has extended the body to improve aerodynamics, reducing drag and enhancing high-speed stability. The long-tail design at the rear stretches the profile, ensuring optimal airflow as the car slices through the air like a missile. Carbon fiber dominates the construction, keeping weight down while maintaining the strength needed for a car that can exceed 300 mph. The front end is unmistakably Bugatti, with its iconic horseshoe grille feeding air into the massive quad-turbo W16 engine. Sleek lit headlights are integrated into the sharp, sculpted front fenders, giving it a menacing stance. Large air intakes on the sides not only cool the engine, but also contribute to aerodynamic efficiency. The rear is where things get even more extreme. A massive rear diffuser and fixed wing provide the necessary downforce to keep the car planted at high speeds. The signature quad exhaust setup, positioned centrally, reinforces the aggressive look while unleashing a symphony of power. But let's talk about what really makes this hypercar a record-breaking beast, the performance. Under the hood lies Bugatti's monstrous 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing a staggering 1578 horsepower. This isn't just about raw power, it's about precision engineering, allowing the Super Sport 300 Plus to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.3 seconds. And while many hypercars tap out around 250 mph, this Bugatti keeps pulling, reaching an astonishing 304 mph, a feat that cements its place in history. The advanced 7-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers seamless gear shifts, ensuring power is always available when needed. Bugatti's all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction, keeping the speed machine stable even under extreme acceleration. The Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, specifically designed to handle the stress of 300 plus mph speeds, offer incredible grip and durability. With an advanced adaptive suspension system, the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus isn't just about straight-line speed. It can handle corners with precision, delivering an exhilarating driving experience that balances power and control. Now stepping inside, Bugatti has ensured that speed doesn't come at the cost of luxury. The interior is a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and premium craftsmanship. High-quality leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents create a cabin that feels as exclusive as the car itself. The minimalist yet sophisticated dashboard keeps the focus on the road ahead, with a digital instrument cluster providing crucial performance data in real time. Behind the wheel, you'll find paddle shifters that allow for lightning-fast gear changes. Bugatti has kept the center console clean and functional, with a few select controls for adjusting driving modes and aerodynamics. Even with all the raw performance at its core, the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus offers supreme comfort, making it as refined as it is powerful. Owning a Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus is more than just owning a car. It's owning a piece of history. Bugatti's commitment to pushing the limits of speed and engineering is evident every detail. With only a handful of units produced, this hypercar isn't just rare. It's an exclusive ticket to the ultimate driving experience. And that wraps up our review of the 2026 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. Let us know in the comments, if you had the chance, would you push this beast past 300 mph? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.